Hi, my name is Emilio Rodriguez, English student of the Graduate Institute of Technology Superior of East, IUTSO. I am in my second trimester, and today I am going to tell you about a main topic for understanding and the communication between people who manage different language or language. This topic nor is other than the translation. During this video, I will cover your concept, the main objective, your importance, philosophy, and I will describe some of the more important types. So, let's get started. What is the translation? Translation is the activity that consists in understanding the meaning of text in one language, called the source text or output text, to produce a text with equivalent meaning in another language, called translated text or target text. The result of this activity is also called translation. According to the RAE, the translation is expressed in a language what is written or has been expressed before in another. As point number 2 of this video, we will try the main objective of the translation. The primary objective of the translation is to be able to get information or message without that is losing its essence, the other people, even when they use a language other than our own. To achieve this, we must ask ourselves, whom is your document for? Is it an internal note or an external advertising text? A manual or a catalog? Is your goal to encourage or inform? In order for the translation to fulfill its objective, in addition to sounding natural, it must transmit the all information in the original document, remembering that there is always a balance between the absolute precision and adequate expression. And surely, two translators offers different versions, although just as good, of the same document. This is the importance of a good translation and knowing how to translate, since it allows us to solve problems that arise from not knowing other language. For example, when we acquire a new electronic device and want to know how it works. The translation also allows us to globalize knowledge. Now, let's talk about some tools used to carry out a translation. Number 1. Easy access application. For example, Google Translator. Number 2. Software designed to translate. And number 3. The dictionaries used since the time immemorials. The types of translation that exist are the technical translation, the scientific translation, the computer translation, the sworn translation, the legal translation, the financial translation, the literary translation, and the audiovisual translation. For all, this is all. Bye bye, and see you in the next class.